The Supreme Court's jurisprudence on its jurisdiction reflects on the connection between law, society and governance to ensure that justice is not just served, but redefined for generations to come. This is according to Honorable Justice William Ouko of the Apex Court.
Living in an era where the Supreme Court has come of age, and as he has rightly put it, 12 years, that's teenage years for the Supreme Court. And so far, the jurisprudence it has been able to set out, it's something amazing and something that will enable the law to be able to grow moving forward.
While delivering a lecture at the University of Nairobi's Taifa Hall, Justice Ouko noted that the court has played a major role in shaping the country's legal landscape by interpreting the constitution and making precedent-setting rulings, although being relatively young.
The Supreme Court of Kenya, having established itself, having set up jurisprudence on that, is something that has affected the constitutional means of the day-to-day operations.
We got to understand specifically what provisions that the Supreme Court actually supposed to do, and I came to learn about 11 main things that the Supreme Court does, or rather is supposed to address. One of them is a matter of interpretation of the law from the other courts, especially specifically the Court of Appeal and other courts, and also spearheading and ruling on the petitions of presidential elections, among others.
Justice Ouko notably reflected on Marwati 2 case, noting how the Supreme Court balances judicial independence and public interest, ensuring that justice is served while upholding constitutional integrity. The Supreme Court abolished the mandatory death sentence in 2017, declaring it unconstitutional. This has significantly influenced Kenya's legal framework.
I'll point out to one case, the Marwati 2 case. It set the precedent in terms of the death penalty, and it's something that has come to put a clear gauge on how the death penalty in terms of murder cases.
Despite its critical role, the judiciary continues to face various challenges, including case backlogs, resource limitations, and public scrutiny over controversial ruling, among others.
It has fully incorporated technology into its workings, even though there's still a bit more work to be done, a bit more improvement that can be done.
In a gathering that brought together legal minds, deans of faculties, and law students from the University of Nairobi, Kenyatta University, and Mount Kenya University, it was evident that the lectures packed in-depth analysis on the development of Kenya's legal system and the Supreme Court's role in upholding justice. Reporting for UNC TV, my name is Wendy Isendi.